Hello friends, this is Vishnu Sharma from Deep Ayurveda, India. Method of manufacturing of any Ayurvedic or herbal product is a very crucial or important part. In this video, you can see that our team making a classical Ayurvedic oil through a traditional and classical method with a combination of 5 elements. 5 elements: air, earth, water, space and fire, because Ayurveda believes that this universe are made with the 5 element and our body is also made with the 5 element, and when these 5 elements added in the combination or any formulation, then that medicine or Ayurvedic herbs can give you a desired result. So always use authentic Ayurvedic product. If you further need any more information on Ayurveda, please write your question or query in comment box. Thank you very much.